I'm Beth Avery. For the past decade, I've worked for the National Employment Law Project as an attorney and the Fair Chance Program Director now. So NELP is a nonprofit advocacy organization with a mission to build a just and inclusive economy where all workers have expansive rights and good jobs. And so I think that's why this conversation today is so important, because the good jobs part of reentry is often overlooked and not given enough attention. And so, I mean, I think it was suggested that I should maybe ground us a little bit in some overview, some facts in the situation we're facing. So I think when I start explaining this issue to people, I highlight, the breadth and depth of this problem. We're talking 80 million people with some sort of record. That's nearly 1 in 3 US adults. And so it's broad. And we're talking deep, long-lasting, and unevenly distributed, and nonsensical barriers. So, lifelong reduction in employment and wages, barriers to building wealth, upward mobility, families, communities, particularly communities of color, because we have a legal system that routinely criminalizes our communities of color. And I think that the fact that I need to underscore, and I think everyone needs to have in mind when we have this conversation, is that, there is no evidence that people with records are more likely to engage in workplace misconduct. Our current system takes for granted that criminal background checks help employers make better hiring decisions. And I don't understand why that unproven background fact gets to be the background assumption. So I'll end there.